Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on camera search on your Amazon shipping app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can turn on this mark on your account. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to the next window here. Then you just click here on settings, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you click here on permissions and you go to next window here. You just waiting to show for you window like this, and you go down here, then you come here to camera search, you click here on this mark, and you just waiting to show for your color like this. That's main camera search, it's on now. So that's all I have to do to turn on this mark. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.